Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to hide apps from the home screen on the HONOR X5c Plus. So first, to remove apps from the home screen, we need to enable App Drawer. So let's scroll down from the top of your screen and go to Settings by pressing this button here. In Settings, look for Home Screen and Style. Click on Home Screen Style and press on Drawer. Click Apply and wait a little until it loads. So now to remove an app, simply find an app you want to remove, scroll down, press Remove. Now it's not deleted, it's just hidden. Open the App Drawer, scroll down, here is LinkedIn and still installed. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.